Imagine the thrill of maneuvering a powerful Jeep through rugged terrain, the engine roaring with every twist and turn. Picture the adrenaline rush as you conquer steep inclines, navigate through deep mud pits, and blast over sand dunes in a vehicle you've built to face such challenges. Welcome to the exciting world of off-roading. Creating an off-road beast is a journey in itself, a process that demands careful planning, a bit of mechanical know-how, and a passion for adventure. So buckle up and prepare to venture into the step-by-step process of building a Jeep for off-roading. Step 1. Choose the right Jeep. The classic Wrangler stands as a popular choice due to its robust frame and versatility. Its compact design makes it perfect for navigating narrow trails, and its solid axles offer excellent articulation. Step 2 involves upgrading the suspension system. A good suspension lift not only provides the Jeep with a more aggressive look, but also improves ground clearance, allowing you to navigate over larger obstacles with ease. Remember, it's not just about height. Quality and durability are key here. Step 3. Pay attention to the tires. Off-road tires have deeper treads for better traction on uneven surfaces. Consider the terrain you'll be tackling when choosing the size and type of your tires. Step 4. Upgrade your engine. While the stock engine of a Jeep is sufficient for general off-roading, you might need extra horsepower if you plan to tackle more intense trails. An engine swap or upgrade can give your vehicle the power it needs. Step 5. Strengthen the body of your Jeep. Skid plates, rock sliders, and roll cages can protect your vehicle from potential damage during off-roading. These additions can be the difference between a great day on the trails and a costly repair bill. Step 6. Don't forget about recovery gear. Winches, tow straps, and high lift jacks are essential tools for any off-roader. They can help you out of sticky situations and ensure your safety on the trails. And finally, Step 7. Customize your Jeep. Off-roading is not just about the ride, it's about expressing yourself. From LED light bars to custom paint jobs, make your Jeep a reflection of your personality and passion for adventure. To sum it up, building a Jeep for off-roading involves selecting the right base vehicle, upgrading the suspension and tires, enhancing the engine, reinforcing the body, packing recovery gear, and adding a personal touch with customizations. Each step is crucial, ensuring your Jeep not only looks the part, but can also handle the raw, untamed beauty of off-road trails. Remember, the goal is to build a vehicle that can take on the wild while keeping you safe and sound. It's a process filled with challenges and learning opportunities, but the reward is an off-road beast that's ready for any adventure. Happy building!